Beneath our very eyes lies a hidden universe teeming with microscopic life forms that play pivotal roles in our ecosystem. From tiny bacteria to single-celled organisms, these minuscule beings impact our lives in ways we may not even realize. Consider the vital role of phytoplankton, responsible for producing over half of Earth's oxygen through photosynthesis. These microscopic organisms are the foundation of the marine food chain, sustaining life in oceans worldwide. Moving inland, soil bacteria break down organic matter, releasing essential nutrients for plant growth. Without them, agriculture as we know it would cease to exist. Delving deeper, we encounter extremophiles, thriving in extreme environments like deep-sea vents or acidic hot springs, showcasing the resilience and adaptability of microscopic life. In the healthcare sector, microscopic organisms are harnessed for beneficial purposes such as the production of antibiotics or the fermentation of foods like yogurt and cheese. Moreover, the intricate symbiotic relationships between microbes and humans within our bodies form a delicate balance crucial for our well-being. As we explore this hidden universe, we come to appreciate the immense diversity and complexity of microscopic life forms and the profound impact they have on our world. So, next time you take a breath of fresh air or enjoy a meal, remember the unsung heroes of the microscopic realm silently shaping our existence.